In this lesson, we'll review and improving this sentence problem. It's part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 926, question 13 out of 14. Now, remember, part of the sentence is underlined. You have the choices in front of you. A would be if this version is correct, and there are 4 additional choices. For most students, this is the easiest of the 3 types because of writing questions, because the answer is in front of you. I haven't written out the answers because I don't feel like it, partly, but mostly I want you to get in the habit of predicting what's wrong with it, and then it makes it so much easier to find the answer. All right, here's the sentence. When we read, we first form enumerable impressions, and then those impressions are evaluated as we read on. Again, you should be able to predict. There are really a couple things wrong with this immediately. Now, there are 2 parts of a sentence. This first part is correct. We have we, the pronoun, that's the subject. And then first form. Form is the verb, so the subject is directly performing the action. This is called the active voice, and you always want to select the active voice if you can. And then we've got the object, these impressions. Second part. Now, first of all, how do we join the 2 parts? Unless there's some contrast, unless there's some indication that it's a different preposition. If there are 2 stages or 2 parts or 2 items or things are listed, it will always take an and. You need that and. So we do have the and here. But now we've got the second part. Then those impressions, that's the subject, are evaluated. This is what's called the passive voice because it takes the form of the verb to be, and it's indirect, not the subject forming, but the object impressions are evaluated. So we don't want the passive, but also we have to have parallel structure. This first part is correct. We need parallel structure, so you can pretty much predict it. First part, we first form impressions, then, and then. Second part, evaluate. That is a verb, not impressions are evaluated, then evaluate those impressions as we read on. And the answer choice is exactly what I just said, is B. And you might be inclined to pick D if you take a look. It's comma, then we evaluate, but what's missing from D, which makes it automatically wrong, there must be an and to link the 2. Automatic. We have the and then we have parallel structure, active voice. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching.